We are the Boothroyd Group, and this is our technology plan presentation. To start, we have some background information on our library. We are the Horizon Community College Library, an academic library located on a suburban community college campus in the southwestern United States. Our campus has around 5,000 students total, including a diverse group of undergraduates that are full-time, part-time, and adult learners returning to education. Horizon Community College offers a variety of programs from liberal arts options to technical courses. Students often rely on library resources for studying, researching, and accessing software they may not be able to afford individually. Our library's values of equity, access, and sustainability help shape the way we run on a day-to-day basis. We want to ensure all of our patrons are treated fairly and impartially, they have the opportunities to acquire and use library resources, and that we are able to offer the highest quality resources and services we can. Because of this, we have identified a growing need for modern technology, including the following: specialized software like Adobe Creative Suite, AutoCAD, SPSS data software, language learning applications, and tools to practice common coding languages like MATLAB, Python, and more. Collaboration platforms that enable easy communication and project management for group work, such as Zoom Pro, Trello, and Miro. Modernized hardware like up-to-date computers that are capable of running specialized software as well as digital drawing tablets for design students. And finally, with textbooks and ebooks, the potential for access to more digital and affordable options, especially for courses that frequently change editions. So why is any of that important? This addresses a significant gap in students' access to essential resources. By updating technology and software offerings, the library can enhance students' success by providing the tools needed for coursework and projects, support diverse learning methods by including more remote and hybrid opportunities, and ensure that students have equitable access to necessary technology regardless of their background. To evaluate the current state of our library, we took a look at the 4 simple questions. First, what is right? We have high usage of study spaces, an online catalog, offer strong information literacy programs, and we have a dedicated and highly qualified staff. So then what is wrong? Our computer software is outdated and there is limited availability for those computers during peak busy hours. What is missing? There's a lack of specialized software such as Cloud and Adobe. There's not enough funds in the budget for technology upgrades, and we do have some understaffing. Finally, what is confused? How can technology support be extended to remote learners? Where should the money that we do have go? And are students aware of all the library's digital resources?
So our persona for this college is Alex Martinez. He is male and he is a 21-year-old full-time graphic design student. His interests include shopping, reading, trends, and social media. He is a first-generation college student who balances coursework with a part-time job. Um, Alex's values include having access to affordable tools, um, and he also prefers to study in collaborative environments, which can help him, do projects, be able to connect with other students. His needs include access to software like Adobe Photoshop and better and updated collaborative workspaces. So the solution digital collaboration hut, the solution includes high-powered computers with specialized software, the collaboration stations for group work, and online reservation systems. Our SWOT analysis strengths include strong infrastructure, IT support, and supportive administration. The weaknesses are limited current hardware and high initial setup costs. Just like making sure money is going towards essentials like this grant. The opportunities include demand for collaborative spaces and potential tech partnerships. And the threats are the evolving technology and maintenance needs, and also care policies.
In the short term, we propose to purchase 2 high-powered computers capable of running specialized software such as Adobe Creative Suite and MATLAB, along with 2 digital drawing tablets. These will be housed in a designated area of the existing computer lab. And in the long term, we plan to expand the inventory as the budget and demand increase and also include additional software. We plan to utilize the existing computer lab section for the hub, eliminating renovation costs. We'll use campus resources such as bulletin boards, social media, and posters created in-house to promote the hub. We will also launch an event to introduce the hub, ensuring that they know how to access and use the new resources. Marketing and awareness, such as stated before, we plan on creating posters and using the colored printer we have in the library. There's an example of a flyer put together that would go around campus so students are able to see what's coming and what to look forward to. So our total budget is $5,000, which follows $1,600 for 2 high-quality computers, or $3,200 for both of them. We have $800 for digital drawing tablets and $800 for software license and other additional needs. This plan ensures that every dollar is spent on essential high-impact resources. The following is a good timeline of what we have planned. So our timeline includes 1 to 2 weeks for the planning and budgeting, 3 through 6 weeks for purchasing equipment and setting up the hub. Week 7 would be for staff training and testing the equipment. And then week 8 for launching the event and promotional activities. And we'll conduct ongoing assessments quarterly to ensure the success. We'll measure success using our SMART goals. Specifically, we aim to attract around 300 students within the first 3 months. Usage will be tracked through the reservation system and focus groups to provide feedback to refine services. Evaluations will occur about every 4 to 6 weeks to ensure that we are constantly having improvement in what we can work on. So thank you for your time and attention. We're confident this project will significantly impact the Horizon Community College. And if you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them.